Hey guys, got a lot of questions about the iPhone 12 Pro Max and if that fits here on the DJI. So you guys can see this is how it fits. It fits just fine, it works just fine as well. Let me just show you the back of it. So this is how the iPhone looks. It fits just fine, like I said. Sure, it's a heavy iPhone, so this will make everything heavier. However, the big screen's awesome to have right here. And again, it works just fine. I do highly recommend the phone because it does fit on your DJI. So right now it's actually running an update. So that's why I said, well, might as well make this quick video for you guys since I had a lot of questions about that. But again, as you guys can see, it fits perfectly fine. So again, to give you a quick idea, that's how it looks right here. Now, right now I am in my RV. So that's why I thought might as well make this quick video before I go on and fly this guy. So luckily we don't have to buy any adapters, nothing special for an iPhone 12 Pro Max in order to fit on right here your controller. So again, we don't have to buy any type of special adapters or anything like that for this to fit on your controller. It's gonna fit fine and it's gonna look really good. Anyways, right now that would be it for this very shaky video, but hopefully it answered your question about an iPhone 12 Pro Max fitting on a DJI controller, and in this case this is a Mavic Air 2. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.